Unraveling the Mistakes, Recognizing Patterns and Incorrect Answers. Hello there! If you're preparing for the GMAT, analyzing your mistakes is crucial. Why? Because mistakes can teach you a lot. Today, we'll focus on recognizing patterns in your incorrect answers to identify areas of strength and pinpoint where you need some extra practice. When you're going through heaps of GMAT practice questions, it's easy to just mark the ones you get wrong and move on. But wait! Every mistake is an opportunity. By recognizing patterns in your incorrect answers. 1. You can prioritize. Focus on areas that need the most attention. 2. You save time. Instead of studying everything, you hone in on your weaknesses. 3. You boost confidence. By systematically tackling weak areas, you grow more confident in your abilities. Here are some frequent patterns students find in their mistakes. 1. Conceptual errors. Not understanding the underlying concept or principle of the question. 2. Calculation errors. Simple math errors, often from rushing. 3. Misreading. Not reading the question or the options carefully. 4. Time management. Spending too much time on one question and having to guess later. 1. Review every incorrect answer. Before you check the right answer, try to solve it again. Did you get the same result? 2. Categorize the mistake. Is it conceptual? A misread? 3. Take notes. For every mistake, jot down why you think you got it wrong. 4. Look for patterns. After several practice tests, review your notes. Are you often making conceptual mistakes in geometry? Are you consistently misreading data sufficiency questions? 5. Tackle your weak areas. Now that you've identified patterns, target those areas in your study sessions. Recognizing patterns in your mistakes should lead to actionable steps. 1. Seek resources. If you're weak in certain areas, find resources, like books or tutorials, to study. 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more you confront your weak areas, the stronger you'll get. 3. Review regularly. Don't just recognize patterns once. After every practice test, go through this process. 4. Stay positive. Remember, mistakes are just stepping stones to success. And there you have it. Recognizing patterns in your incorrect answers isn't just about spotting where you went wrong. It's about turning those insights into a powerful study strategy. We hope this video helps you get one step closer to acing your GMAT. Keep pushing, and remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn. Happy studying!